We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the PRETYZOOM Light Alarm Clock for boys and girls. This compact digital clock is designed for bedrooms, learning environments, and offices, with features aimed at helping children learn to tell time and providing a gentle wake-up experience. The alarm clock's small and exquisite design makes it durable and long-lasting, which is a key point appreciated by users who want a reliable clock that withstands daily use. Its compact size, measuring approximately 3.94 inches wide and 1.57 inches high, makes it easy to place on a bedside table or desk without taking up much space. The clock is battery-powered, which adds to its portability and convenience, although batteries are not included in the package. One of the standout features of the PRETYZOOM alarm clock is its silent operation. It uses a sweeping second hand that eliminates the ticking noise common in many analog clocks. This silent mechanism is highly valued by users who need a quiet environment to sleep or work, as it prevents the annoyance of constant ticking sounds. This makes it particularly suitable for children's bedrooms or offices where concentration is important. The display is clear and bright, providing an intuitive way to track time. This clarity helps children who are learning to tell time, as well as adults who want a straightforward, easy-to-read clock. The brightness level is well balanced to be visible without being harsh on the eyes, which is important for a bedroom setting where overly bright displays can disrupt sleep. The clock face is oval-shaped and uses a modern style that fits well with contemporary decor. A useful feature included is the night light, which can be turned on or off with a simple button. This night light is ideal for children who may need a gentle light source during the night, or for adults who prefer a soft glow in their room. Users have noted that the night light function adds to the clock's versatility, making it more than just a timekeeping device, but also a comforting presence in the dark. Performance-wise, the alarm clock fulfills its basic functions well. The alarm is clear and effective without being overly loud or startling, which is beneficial for those who prefer a gentler wake-up call. However, some users might find the alarm sound options limited compared to more advanced sunrise alarm clocks that offer customizable sounds or gradual light increases. This clock focuses more on simplicity and ease of use rather than advanced wake-up technology. In terms of usability, the PRETYZOOM alarm clock is straightforward to operate. The buttons are easy to access and intuitive, making it suitable for children and adults alike. Setting the time and alarm is simple, which is a significant advantage for users who want a no-fuss device. The compact size and lightweight nature, at just over 5 ounces, mean it can be easily moved or packed for travel. On the downside, the clock does not include batteries, which means users need to purchase them separately before use. Additionally, it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end sunrise alarm clocks, such as customizable light intensities, multiple alarm sounds, or app connectivity. This makes it less suitable for users seeking a high-tech wake-up experience, but ideal for those who want a basic, reliable alarm clock with a nightlight. Overall, the PRETYZOOM Light Alarm Clock is a well-designed, compact, and quiet alarm clock that serves its purpose effectively. It is particularly appealing for parents looking for an educational tool to help children learn to tell time, as well as for anyone needing a simple bedside clock with a nightlight feature. The durable plastic construction and modern design ensure it fits well in various settings, from bedrooms to offices. We encourage anyone who owns this alarm clock to leave their review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your experiences with the PRETYZOOM Light Alarm Clock can provide valuable insights for potential buyers. Remember, the link to purchase this product is in the description, and using it supports our channel. In summary, the PRETYZOOM Light Alarm Clock offers a quiet, clear, and compact solution for timekeeping and waking up gently. While it may not have the bells and whistles of more expensive sunrise alarm clocks, its simplicity, silent operation, and nightlight feature make it a practical choice for children and adults alike. It is a dependable gadget that fulfills its intended functions without unnecessary complexity, making it a worthy consideration for anyone in need of a basic alarm clock with added comfort features.